Grain and livestock markets closed mostly lower Monday. This is the American Ag Network. I'm Corryn with this closing market wrap-up. Grain and oilseed futures closed lower on Monday after markets reversed from the fresh overnight highs during a volatile trading session. Prices moved into negative territory as crude oil also pulled back sharply, contributing to the shift in sentiment across the commodity complex. Weekly export inspections for corn came in at 1.518 million metric tons, according to USDA, down from 1.859 million the prior week, but still within trade expectations that ranged from 1.1 to 2.25 million metric tons. Soybean export inspections totaled 879,190 metric tons, declining from 1.162 million the previous week, but landing near the upper end of analyst estimates between 500,000 and 895,000 metric tons. USDA also reported wheat export inspections for the week ending March 5th at 18.2 million bushels, up from 13 million the previous week and well above the 8.9 million bushels inspected during the same week last year. The total came in above trade expectations. Wheat inspections for the marketing year-to-date reached 702.7 million bushels, running 20.2% ahead of last year's pace. Livestock futures closed lower across the board as markets reacted to concerns surrounding the U.S.-Iran conflict. Lean hog futures trimmed earlier losses with support from strength in the wholesale pork market, while live cattle futures finished lower. Wheat cattle futures recovered part of their earlier declines, supported by their discounts to the cash market and weaker corn prices. Direct cash cattle markets in the plains remained quiet Monday as buyers and sellers spent the day taking inventory following Friday's trade. Early expectations pointed towards steady to lower prices this week, though significant trade activity may again hold off until Thursday or Friday. USDA has not yet released final sales totals from last week. Taking a look at closing numbers, May corn down 6 3/4 cents at $4.53 3/4. May soybeans down 4 1/2 at $11.96 3/4. May wheat down 13 1/2 at $6.03 1/4. May Kansas City wheat down 3 3/4 at $6.19 3/4. May Minneapolis wheat up 3 cents at $6.46. Moving over to the livestock complex, we've got April live cattle down 4.42 at $230.15. March feeder cattle down 4.97 at $350.65. April hogs down 80 at 94.82. Thanks for joining me for this closing market wrap-up. I'm Corryn with the American Ag Network.